So, you want to end your Tesco Mobile contract early? Let's break down how to do it. Ending a contract early is possible, but usually involves fees. These early termination fees, ETFs, cover Tesco's costs, and they're capped at the remaining monthly payments or £20, whichever is higher. To start, check your contract length and current status. Are you the account holder? Have you paid all your bills? If so, you're eligible to terminate, but keep in mind that contracts lock you in for the minimum term. Fortunately, there are ways to potentially waive or reduce these fees, which we'll cover. Keep an eye out for Tesco promotions, or if you're moving to another Tesco plan, as these are instances where the fee may be waived. If you've had coverage issues, you may also be able to negotiate a fee reduction with customer service. One of the best tools you have is the Porting Authorization Code, or PAC. A PAC lets you keep your phone number when you switch to another provider. You can request it for free through the Tesco mobile app, website, or by calling them. It's valid for 30 days. Without a PAC, you'll get a new number, which can complicate transfers. Your best options for termination include negotiating a fee waiver with Tesco Mobile, which has about a 50% success rate through customer service. You can switch to a pay-as-you-go plan within Tesco Mobile, which is often early termination fee-free. Or use a PAC to switch to a cheaper provider, always comparing exit fees with new provider incentives, like cashback offers. Remember, under Ofcom rules, Tesco Mobile must provide a contract summary up front. If they breach the terms, like providing poor service, you can complain to Ofcom for potential refunds or contract cancellations. By understanding your rights and exploring your options, you can minimize costs when ending your Tesco Mobile contract early.